Hi, in this video we will see how to hide your WordPress login URL from others. Normally you can log into the WordPress using domain name /wp admin as URL, but here we are going to see how to access the login page with other URL. Once you log into the cPanel, click on WordPress Manager by Software which is on the left hand side. After that, click on Login for automatic WordPress login. In the WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins and Add Plugins. In the search bar, type the keyword as WPS hide login. It will show the list of plugins available. You have to install the WPS hide login plugin and activate it. Once the plugin is activated, click on Settings option, which is under the plugin name. In the settings page, scroll down to below, you will see login URL and redirection URL. So in the login URL, you can mention the name that you want to access instead of the default name as URL. In the redirection URL, mention the URL that you wish to redirect the default one. Here I am mentioning as 404. After that, click on Save Changes. Now you can try to load the default URL domain name /wp admin in the browser. It will redirect you to the 404 page. After that, try with the name that you mentioned on the plugin page. You will get the login page for your WordPress. There we can enter the username and password for the WordPress login and manage it there. Follow this method to hide your WordPress login and make it as private. If this video helps you, please like, comment and don't forget to share. For more information videos, please subscribe our channel.